everybody. Today I'm gonna do something to the car on the exterior that I wanted to do a long time ago, but I finally pulled the plug and ordered it. It came directly from Korea. It's not a knockoff part, it's an original part, so it should fit perfect, and it's gonna make the car look so much better, and yeah, the part is this. It's the Roadruns Front Grille, glossy. I ordered glossy because, well, the car has black parts on it that are gloss. They're not matte, so I just wanted to match that. So that's why it's the glossy version of it. We're gonna install it. I'm not gonna show you how to take apart the damn bumper because you've seen that 1,000 times, so forget about it. So we're gonna jump right into the installation. Okay, there's a bunch of bolts in the top part here that you have to take out, and in the bottom there's a couple more. Take this plastic thing out and we go from there. I'm gonna use a power tool because it's a lot of bolts. "22 freaking bolts." This part, you won't need it anymore. This one, I think you have to modify it. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 more bolts. Damn it. Now this should come apart. This one, you keep it too. Alright, let's take this foam apart. And more bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I can count. All right. Okay, now we loose all the clips around the grill, and that should pop right off. And it's out! Yeah, I'm not gonna throw it away. You never know what could happen, so I'm gonna keep it, I'm gonna save it. Still good, it's just I wanted something different. Now this part right here, you have to cut it off. So I'm gonna get my Dremel and I'm gonna cut it. It came with this envelope, really nice. It means it's real Korean. Inside are the little instructions that they gave you, and a sticker. 10 horsepower. Instant. So here in the instructions, they're all in Korean. Let me see if I can focus. There you go. Korean. So you understand crap out of it. So use the Google Translator if you want, and it will translate the whole thing. Pretty cool. But yeah, basically you don't need to read it. It's really simple. and you just follow the whole graphic. So you have to cut, as you see, the bar right there, and then on that part that I told you, you have to cut that part there to trim it. So that's what we're gonna do. I have my Dremel here, so let's start cutting. Wear safety goggles. And it's out. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit just to make it, you know, look good. Nobody's gonna see it, but OCD. Now the moment that we all been waiting for. Ta-da! So this has some tabs around it, like this one right here. That you have to get through some of these holes, factory holes, and bend it, and that will secure the grill. It's not gonna be a perfect fitment. It never is. So we're gonna have to play with it a little bit, but it's not bad. I mean, yeah, it's not bad. Just a little bit of fitment and should be good. So there you have it. It looks amazing. Looks really nice. I like it. So much different. The installation in the back is a little bit it's not difficult, but it's a little bit of a pain in the ass to do. Let me show you. Okay, so the thing is, this tab right here is what grabs the grill to it, to the bumper, you know. So you have two on each side. All right, one there and the other one there, and then you have two in the bottom, here, and where is it? Here. Those are in the bottom. You have to like pull, bend it. There's a little bit of a gap on the bottom, but you won't even see it when it's in the car. So yeah, it doesn't matter. Once it's on the car, you're not gonna see it because it's in the lower part. So the only way to see it is if you're a maniac and look under the car. So yeah, let's put it back on the car and see how it looks. Okay, forgot to tell you that you have to install this piece. I mean, it's not perfect. It's a pain in the ass because to get the bolts back in place, but yeah, it fits kinda. Here is where it's not really good, but I don't think it's gonna be an issue once you close the hood. So yeah, I mean, it's an aftermarket part, so they're never perfect, but yeah, I mean, not bad. We'll see when I get it in the car. so that's it for this video. It looks great. The only thing that I can tell you is that it will not fit perfect. Alright, this is an aftermarket part. You have to massage it. You have to massage it, you know, to make it look good. It has a little bit of a gap right now between the hood and the grill. I'm gonna fix that later, but it looks good. It looks good. I like it. It really changed the front. It gives the car a whole new attitude. So yeah, I hope you like it. I hope you learn something on how to do it. I know there's not many videos about it. So for now, that's it, and I see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.